like to do time lapse on something like this.
Very nice tornado, very nice.
Picture at 7:15, wide angle.
Very nice.
Wide open, 120. 718.
718. 718. Rope tornado. Rope tornado. Yes. Yes. There goes Mr. Funnel. Here comes a shooting vortex, sub-vortex down. Instantaneous tornado. Time is 7:25. We have sub-vortices. It's on the ground. Look at the churning on the other side of the lake. Look at the churning on the other side of the lake. It's just across the bridge from us. Take some great photos. These people are crazy to go forward. Look at that motion at the base. All right, we've got a funnel now to the southeast. This storm is going crazy. Tornado southeast, number 5. Number 4, rather. Number 4, tornado southeast. All right, tornado southeast and tornado east. We have 2 tornadoes on the ground simultaneously. Tornado number 3 roping out. Oh, yes! Just what makes a storm like this go mad? All right, tornado number 8. Tornado number 8. Tornado number 8 is on the ground and rotating around the backside. All right, funnel cloud, funnel cloud. Tornado number 9. Tornado number 10. Tornado number 10. Okay, big tornado. All right, it's cleared away from it. Yes, yes, yes. Lightning in it. That'll help.
Thank you.
Yes, definitely yes.